Hi friends, I hope you all are doing the fine. Thank you for visiting my channel. I know we are from such a long time we had not been uploading our apps or games or anything in Play Console. Gives us some office shifting and everything is there. So from now on, the videos will be going to be regular on the regular basis. So you will have like all kind of updates and 20 days services and all kind of a service. Recently, we have been quite late on this making this video. So most of the people has got the mail and saying that in the inbox and in the mail also they have been getting a requested to update their API from the API 33 to 34, and there is a deadline of August 31st of 2024. So most of people need the time because the API has recently has been launched and Google has not given such a big time for that. So most of people are facing a problem. So we got so many messages, mails and everything saying that so many people, what should we do? So for that, the simple way is not such a rocket science for that. And for that, usually you have to go to your app and we'll go. So let's come down to our video and we will going to show how we have to do that. Let's go on to our PC and we will see. So as this is our old console, so in this we got already mails saying that so we're going to inbox to updated target API by 30 August 31st 2024. That is the API of 34. So we got it this mail. So as we can see, all the read your information you have to there. View the details. Click on view details, and you can see there is a deadline of August 31st 2024. So we have to go in the request additional time because there is I need to do such a update things. So there is a pop-up form you will going to get. You need to be due date of the November 21st. If you have been applying, you will get extension time till the November 1st of the 65 days away. There is a requirement application is the reasons why you want to do that. So there is a some of the requests are there, you have to do that. It's request me to make more external changes of my app and I don't have a time, so I have kept the request for that. You can do the simple thing and whatever the request you have that. So as you can see, it has been granted to me as there is a deadline of November 1st 2024 has been extended to granted you. So before the November 21st, I need to update my API to 34 and I need to upload my app. So then it will not been a problem. Again, if you are not been applying before the November 1st, you won't have any external time for this and your app will be going to get a reject. And from the first form, you have to update each and everything, then you have to do the update. So like that is it. So I request you people, so please update this as soon as possible so your apps won't be get it terminated or your account won't be get from the September 1st. The Google has making such a strict policies and most of the accounts has been going to be removed. We got some information saying that the Google not going to stop the 20 tester services, 20 tester thing. And not only the Google, there is a big update is there. Even Samsung also has been deployed the same thing. Samsung and some other platform also they have been deployed in the coming soon. In the Amazon Play Store also has been deploying the same thing. You have to do the 20 tester service. So in upcoming time, we don't know whether they're going to apply more mobiles or less mobiles. We don't know. Google has on nowadays has getting more strict and more strict each and every day. So I request you people, so make sure your account has been completely verified. There is some deadlines are there. After the deadlines also, the people, so many people are trying to verify the account, but it's not going to be proper because at the beginning what the document you have given, as per that you have to upload the same documents and there is no changes. We don't know what Google is exactly want to do. Even 20 tested apps also, Google has deployed the new thing that when you have been trying for the production, in the beginning your account won't get terminated, but when your app has been in the promotion production time, in that time the Google has been terminating your account saying that KYC problem. In the beginning they are not doing. When you have been completed your 20 tester service and all those things they are doing. Please be in our channel and like and subscribe to our channel so you will get a more notification in upcoming video. We're going to show how to create the new accounts in the bypassing the Google things and how you can able to bypass the phone number and KYC and everything. So please be stay in our video, and we have another channel also in that the Hindi things are there. In this video we will going to publish in English, but in our other channel there is a Reset Tech Developer channel is there. You can see the link in the description also. In that also you can able to visit and you can see in the Hindi what are the videos we are making in the Hindi and English. In that you can able to see in the Hindi and here you can see in the English. So I hope you will like to our channel, and please like and subscribe. Please share with your colleagues for keep be subscribe to our channels for the new updates. Thank you so much.